Hi everyone. In this session, we will see how we can learn WordPress without spending any money or without buying any domain or any server from Hostinger or GoDaddy. Okay. So we have a tool. The name of that tool is WordPress Local. Okay. Just search for this and you will see localwp.com. You can click on this first link here. And here you can see we have a download option. We need to download this application into our desktop. So let me just download it. Yeah, it is asking me all this information. Please choose your platform. It's Windows. If you are using any other operating system, please feel free to choose all those. Windows and first name. This is my name and email ID. Okay, please choose your organization type. It's choose your independent. Okay, I'm a freelancer, so I will select freelancer. Okay, yes. Please give your own email ID. Okay, and let's click on get it now. Yes, the downloading has started. On the right hand side top, you can see that it is downloading the file. Okay, yes. So let's just wait till it gets downloaded. So guys, the downloading has completed. As you can see, the file size is 760 MB, and now we need to install it in our desktop. Okay, so let's click on this show in folder. It's in our downloads. Double click on it. And it should show us the install window. Let's wait. Yeah. Yes. Choose installation options. Who should this application be installed for? Only for me. If you use only for me and you are creating any other user in your desktop, then later for that user, this software will not be available. Anyone who uses this computer, then it will be available for all the users in your desktop, okay, or laptop. Let's click on next here and let's see when the installation starts. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it is asking for some. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, we need to allow, guys. If you don't allow, then it cannot install this application. Where do you want to install it? Okay, go with the default destination. Okay, if your C drive don't have much memory, okay, then I would recommend you to go for a different disk, or else just go with the default location. Okay, let's install it. So we need to wait for the installation. Okay, yes, you can just complete your installation and then you can return back to the video. Okay, so the installation has been completed. Completing local setup. Local has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setup, right? Let's click on finish. And as you can see on the left hand side top here, okay, we have a shortcut icon, okay, and it has launched the application automatically, okay, after the installation. Yes. Okay, it is asking us to select a site. There is already a site existing here. Okay, maybe last time I have created a demo site. So we need to create a project here. Okay, left hand side bottom. If I click on add local site, okay, create a new site, create from a blueprint, or select a zip file. Okay, so we will go with create a new site, and then we will click on continue. And let's give the site name as demo 1. Okay, or demo underscore 1. Okay, I like using underscore instead of space. Okay, yes. Preferred custom. Okay, so basically preferred means your PHP version or your server and your database will be selected as the default one. If you select custom, then you have the option to choose which version of PHP you want to go with, which server you want to select, and which database you want to select. Okay, I will go with preferred for now. Okay, so let's select preferred and continue. Okay, so we need to give our username and password here. Anyways, it is just a local server, so you can give any ID and password. Nobody will be able to hack it. Okay, it's secure. So I'll just go with Tushar, and password I will go with 1234. Okay, and add site. Yes. So basically now it is setting up the WordPress. Okay, allow access. Yes, we need to give all the permissions, guys. So let it install WordPress and let's see how much time it is taking to install it. Okay, so now the project is ready. And how can we visit to the WordPress admin dashboard? I will just click on WP admin. And here I have to give my username, which was Tushar. And again, I have to give my password, which was 1234. Okay, and login. Yes. Okay, I'll just save it. And this is the WordPress admin dashboard, guys. Okay, and you can practice here. You can create projects. You can do experiments here. Okay, if you want to learn WordPress, okay, this should be your go-to platform. Okay, if you are a fresher or even if you are starting with freelancing. Okay, later you can take that file and you can upload it to your website or you can make it live. Okay, yes. So I'll just stop here. Okay, in the next session we will learn about basics of this WordPress, okay, or basics of WordPress admin dashboard.